Servers are one of the most important and most numerous devices in data centers. The growing demand for computational power is generating the need to manage and maintain a large collection of machines. As the number of devices in the data center increases, so does the number of staff required to monitor them. EasyDCIM allows you to easily and conveniently monitor dedicated servers, thus relieving the administrator of the burden of performing daily routine tasks. In the header, you can find such essential actions as device editing, device settings, and power management. It also contains various tabs, for example, Traffic Aggregation, Parts, Monitors, or Ports. Most of them are predefined, but there may be dynamic tabs of modules such as IPAM, DNS Management, or Usage Collector, which present specific data concerning a particular module. You'll find more information about the other sections in the next videos. On the Device Summary page, the Device Details widget displays the most important information about the device. Apart from data about the physical state of the device, there are also fields presenting the location or a rack cabinet in which the server is located. The Traffic Aggregation and PDU Power Connection sections provide information about the server assignment to the switch, as well as about the connection between the server and the power strip. In the further part of this section, you can find the basic data about the device, including the model, label, or the status of the server in the inventory. Please note that most of the fields can be easily modified using the Quick Edit mechanism. Below, you can find the Additional Information widget containing less important information. The Assign Metadata widget allows you to assign unique attribute values to specific devices. Every type of a device available in the system can have its own metadata. Most of these properties are automatically assigned to the appropriate device types as soon as the system is installed. For instance, the IP address field is created automatically in the system and assigned to the types that physically have an IP address. Widget Important Notifications presents the list of the most significant system notifications assigned to this device. It provides information about actions performed on a particular server, together with the date of their execution. Most of the other widgets are generated using external modules. As an example, the OS installation or IPMI integration modules comes with extra widgets for installing operating systems on your device or downloading a Java applet with a remote console. Now, please note that some widgets may contain defined actions that can be used by the administrator. If the widget includes additional actions, they're available in the top right corner of a given box.